The House of Dots was designed in collaboration with Camille Walala. She's a wonderful artist that really works a lot with pattern and color. And when we saw her work, it just reminded us immediately of what we were trying to communicate with dots and with the whole concept of a product line. When you come in, you enter the living room of the House of Dots. As you can see, there's a combination of the different patterns that really represent Walala's style. And you can see many little details, for example, on this plant pot, or on the rug, or on the lamp, which is one of my favorites, actually. So if you follow me, I'll show you a bit more. We have the nice lounge chairs. And then over here, we tried playing also with mirrors and giving some optical illusions. So you can see only one side is plated and the other one is mirror. So when I put my hand, you can actually notice that it is a reflection. But when you look from afar, people actually didn't realize until I pointed it out. Dots is a project about creativity and unlimited imagination. So using the tile as a corner of what we do, which is this 1x1 element, kids can decorate many, many different surfaces and really create the colors and the patterns that they want. The House of Dots has over 2 million tiles that decorate different surfaces. So this chair, for example, the table there. So the building is made out of 6 containers put together, and then wooden structures that make up the different shapes outside. And then the inside will be wood and tiles and Lego and some foam where you can sit on. Now you can follow me into the kitchen. Welcome to the House of Dots kitchen. There's been a lot of detail added to the surface of the table with the painting on the different cupboards. Obviously, all of the kitchen counter is also tiled. We have a sink and we have little pineapples. And this is our little pencil holder. You can put your nicks and knacks inside and it spins. This comes from the workshop that we did with 180 kids from the King's Academy here in London. We worked with them creating different patterns, different colors, and we just gave them complete freedom into what they could create. We're in the bedroom. Here it's all about more of the lilacs, the teals, the yellows, and you find little details of plates. For example, this is tiled. We also have the kids' bedroom table where there are many more tiles, and obviously it's a playroom, so you can jump in and peek out. And now you can follow me into the bathroom. And this is the disco room. It's been over 800 man-hours to create it. So it's been intense work, but it's been great.